Hey boys and girls, how you doing? It is Trader Dara. So real quick, let me explain what is a crypto airdrop. A crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy used by crypto firms in the crypto space to advertise and promote their newly launched crypto coins or the coins to be launched. So they're actually going to give out certain amount of tokens to those who participate in tasks and activities. So that is literally you getting free coins or free money. So this is the steps for you to go about getting crypto airdrops. Now you will need certain apps, and these are the apps. You need MetaMask on an iPhone, or you could use Trust Wallet on an Android. You will also be needing Bybit, which is simply a centralized crypto exchange, right? Now we'll go into the reason you need this later on. The next step is you need Twitter or X. Also, you'll be needing Discord and Chrome for your browser. You can use any other browser, but Chrome is very much one of the best browsers to use. So once you've gotten all these apps downloaded, let us go into how to get and participate in a crypto airdrop.